very pointed, acrimonious, spirited little jab contest. No, I don't have to have that conversation. So yeah, I cut you off. You can call it censorship if you want. I don't care. The Hudson Society of Artists 41st
Flash warning for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Lorain, Modena, and Summit. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for Lorain County, southern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northern Modena County in northeastern Ohio, northern Summit County in northeastern Ohio until 2:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Akron, Lorain, Elyria, Vermilion, Western Vermilion, Parma, Cuyahoga Falls, Strongsville, Brunswick, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, Kent, Solon, Hudson, Twinsburg, Streetsboro, Amherst, Macedonia, Grafton, and Stowe. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Lorain, Modena, and Summit.
To go. Before we get to news, that means I can talk to you. You're on the air.
I just came back from camp in Gettysburg, and there are soldiers at night on that.
Beautifully crispy. There's your answer. 1, 2, 3. Tasty wafers covered in creamy milk